Hello again, guys. Today I am going to be reviewing the 2x2x2 Rubik's Cube. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay. So let's do some first moves. It turns pretty nice for Rubik's, but I'm so used to better turning puzzles. It's kind of an unboxing, but yeah. Okay, so mine to be solved. Okay, and just observe the cube. Ready, go. Yeah, it gets on myself. The timer, sorry about that. Okay. Oh, this is a bad scramble. Blame the scramble. Okay. Keep getting, like, the straight line. Ah! Stop getting. Okay, finally. It doesn't turn very well, so it's hard. Yeah, sorry, you can't really see it. Okay. Oh, that was a really bad solve. I'm gonna do another one, but on camera. Actually, I will do another one on camera. This time it'll be shorter. Ready, set, go. Okay, let me observe it. Sorry, it's not in the frame always. It's a, okay, let's see my time. It's 27 seconds. That's about my average, around 20 seconds. But yeah, it turned very well. Don't really recommend buying this, but yeah. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!